Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to install any package for Python using pip, right? So the very first thing you can do is just hit Windows key R, which should bring up the run command, or you can do Windows key and then just search run, right? This is where you're searching and you should see something like this and you can click it. Either this and then type cmd, or another way to get cmd if you're not able to find this is just search cmd and it should give you this thing called command prompt. We are trying to get to this, right? And you open command prompt and type pip install and your package name. So like your package name will come into this. So in this case I'll be demonstrating with matplotlib, right? Since I already have matplotlib installed in Python, it says requirement already satisfied, right here. And then so it didn't download it for me. But however, if you didn't have matplotlib, then it would have downloaded it for you, right? But you could have had a case where it said path not found, pip not in path or something like that, or command not found in path. If you have that kind of an error where it comes in red, there's a simple thing you can do. All you have to do is copy this code. Basically, import sys from path for path in sys.path print path. What this is doing is just we are trying to find where Python is installed, right? So this is just a simple way. It's like a hacky way of finding where Python is installed. So you can just go to this place right here, right? You can copy the one that says Python 37 lib and side packages. You can go either here or here. Anything that says lib, you need it to say lib, right? After you've copied the path, just hit control run again and then paste your path. You know the run command where I showed you how to do it previously. Paste the path and click OK, right? Let me just close this. The use for that script is done now, right? After you've come here, you gotta go to Python 37. You'll find something called scripts. Inside scripts, you're trying to look for pip, and you can see pip.exe right here, right? This is your way to this is what you can use to install packages, right? Pip installer. Now, instead of just saying pip install, we can actually copy this path, right? If you click on the window with the note bar here and copy the path, then go back to your command prompt, paste your path, hit / pip and then install matplotlib. This is basically specifying the entire location to pip. If you have pip in path, then this is not necessary because Windows will know to look for this command in path. However, if pip is not there in path, then this is still runnable because you're just specifying the entire path to where to run this command from. So either one of these methods should surely work for you to install a package, right? And then if both of these don't work for you, there is another way which you can Google. It's called downloading packages using wheels. I don't suggest it. It's complicated and it's messy. You have to go into the folders and stuff. Pip is a very simple way to do it, and I'm pretty sure that should work for you. And also, it's suggested that you follow this code. If it says your pip should be upgraded, please copy this, paste it, and upgrade your pip, and it should just collect data for you. Also, remember, if you don't have Python in path, you have to specify the entire location to this upgrade, right? It might not give you that because you'll have to do C users Python 37 and then python.exe, then run this command, because otherwise it won't work, right? Thank you so much for watching. That'll be all for this demonstration of how to install packages using pip. Bye bye.